Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here to tell you a little bit about myself. So for 10 years in the past, I used to run a business where I managed workers and basically delegated things that they needed to do throughout the day. So during that time, me and my husband decided to have two more children. So let me tell you, being a stay-at-home mom is not what it cut out to be. It can get really, really boring. After the kids go to school and you do everything you need to do for you, you just run out of things to do. So during that time, I was introduced to basically Telegram from my brother, and that's where I ran into Susu boards. Long story short, I had made some money on Telegram and I have lost a lot of money. But I'm still thankful for Telegram because that's where I ran into all the marketing business that I'm into now. So the things that I'm into right now is like passive incomes. Like I deal with a lot of cryptos and bitcoins and things of that nature. And I health and wellness coach with where I make health juices and help people live a healthy lifestyle. And my most of all favorite is trading. And why I like trading so much is not necessarily for me, but it's something I could literally pass on to my children and they can learn how to do. I mean, that's my main goal. It's not even me. I want to show them how that they can make their money make money. I also love the community of people that I met. I mean, I developed so many great relationships. Not only that, I get to enjoy my three children and the rest of my beautiful family. So if you're looking for time freedom, money freedom, or trying to build a legacy for your family, to stay updated on how to make your money make money, like and subscribe to this page right here, and I'll keep you informed. Thank you.